Today, I'm taking you inside Hoi An's Central Market to try one of the city's most iconic dishes, Cao Lầu. If you've ever wondered what Hoi An tastes like in its purest form, this is it. Cao Lầu noodles are unlike anything else in Vietnam. They're thick, a little rough, and surprisingly chewy, a texture said to be inspired by the Japanese traders who once lived here. The marinated pork has a gentle Chinese-style sweetness, and the whole dish comes together like a quiet reminder of Hoi An's multicultural past. Rice is soaked in lye water, drawn from the historic Ba well, then mixed with ash from the Chum Islands. This is why authentic Cao Lầu is almost impossible to find outside the city. And inside Hoi An Market, there's one stall locals always recommend, Cao Lầu Bà Bé. Ba Bé's stall sits right in the heart of the market. It's small, busy, and full of character, exactly what you want from a true street food spot. As you walk up to the counter, the first thing you'll notice is the colorful display. Fresh herbs, crunchy toppings, slices of pork and chicken, and piles of Cao Lầu noodles sit on bright red pedestals under the glass. Everything is neat, clean, and inviting. Behind the counter, the stall owner works with quiet focus. It's shaped by years of doing one thing well, serving good food fast. The dining area around the stall feels like classic Vietnam. Stainless steel tables, metal stools, fans humming, and the sounds of the market drifting through. Ordering here is simple. There's an English-Vietnamese menu. Just point, take a seat, and the food comes to you. Pay after you're done. Now let's talk about the bowl itself. The noodles are the highlight. Thick, glossy, and wonderfully chewy. They hold the sauce without turning soggy, and every bite has that signature soft snap that only Hoi An's Cao Lầu can give. The char siu-style pork is tender and lightly sweet, with just enough seasoning to bring out the flavor. The turmeric chicken adds a warm earthiness, while the tiny prawn gives a sudden punch of briny seafood. Then there are the crispy Cao Lầu croutons, airy, golden, and shatteringly crisp. They add an incredible contrast to the chewy noodles. On top of that, you get a generous handful of fresh greens and herbs, lettuce, mustard leaves, Vietnamese coriander, all bright, slightly peppery, and essential for balancing the dish. At 50,000 dong is one of the best value bowls in town. Simple ingredients, made with care, and served with the kind of quiet confidence that only experience brings. Cao Lầu Bà Bé is a stall I'd recommend to anyone, especially if you want to taste Hoi An the way locals do. No hype, no gimmicks, just honest cooking tied to the rhythm of the market. So the next time you're in Hoi An, come early, grab a seat, and enjoy a bowl of Cao Lầu in the very place where this dish has been perfected for generations.